Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can use Grok AI to explain posts published by other users and accounts on X, formerly known as Twitter. So let us get started. So let's assume here you see a post posted by an account or user you find, I don't know, for example, confusing or inaccurate, and now you would like to have it cleared or clarified or explained. You may use Grok AI for that, guys. You don't need to access Grok separately here on the left panel and copy paste the content of the given post to give Grok the command to explain it. You can use it directly here on the given post. Simply click on this button in the top right corner of the given post, explain this post, and after that Grok will open up a window here in the bottom right corner, and as you can see it will work on an explanation for the given post. For example, you will see the progress here. And after that, you will see also an explanation of the given post or tweet, as formerly known on Twitter, with a clear explanation with details here. So guys, with sources, for instance. So that's how you use Grok AI to explain posts on X/Twitter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.